So you're driving down Wade Hampton Boulevard, minding your own business, when you notice a dog running across the road in front of you. You slam on the brakes and bam, somebody slams in the back of your car. Now here's what 99% of people think. The person who hit you from behind is automatically at fault, right? Well, that's wrong. I'm Derrick, a personal injury lawyer here in Simpsonville, South Carolina, and I'm about to reveal the 3 situations where you could be blamed for your own rear end accident, even when you got hit from behind. But listen, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say, what not to say, and how to protect yourself from destroying your claim before it ever gets started. The first scenario, and this one's a little sneaky, is if your brake lights aren't working and you slow down or stop. The driver behind you has no warning. Even though they hit you from behind, you could be found partially at fault for not maintaining your vehicle properly. Now the second scenario, you're backing out of a parking space at Publix on Woodruff Road, and you back into a car that's driving through the parking lot. They hit you from behind, but you're the one backing up. Guess who's at fault? It ain't so clear, is it? And the third situation, this is the one from earlier. You slam on the brakes when a dog ran out in front of you. Now legally, that other car should have been following at a safe distance and maintaining a proper lookout, right? But the insurance company is gonna say that your sudden and unexpected stop contributed to the accident and that their insured couldn't stop in time. Now here's the thing, in this situation, when you call to report this accident, they're not just taking down information, they are building a case. Every question they ask is designed to find a way to pay you less money. Remember, insurance companies made boatloads of profits last year. They didn't get rich paying out big settlements. And here's their process. They'll get the police report, they'll interview their insured, then they'll want to interview you. And this is where most people mess up. They'll ask, tell me exactly what happened. Sounds innocent, right? But here's what they're really asking. Please give me a reason to blame you for this accident. Remember, you don't have to give them a recorded statement and you don't have to go into every single detail of your day. You just don't have to. Just give them the basics. All you have to say is, I was properly positioned in the lane, following all the traffic laws and paying close attention when your insured struck my vehicle from behind. That's it. Don't elaborate, don't explain, don't try to be helpful. Look, I've been doing this for years, and I've seen too many good people in our community get taken advantage of because they didn't know how the system really worked. You work hard, you pay your premiums, and when something happens, it's not your fault. You deserve every penny you're entitled to. And this is something that most people don't realize. In South Carolina, we have what's called comparative negligence. That means if you're found 1% at fault, they can reduce your settlement by that percentage. So for example, if your case was worth $50,000 and they find you 20% at fault, you only get $40,000. So it's extremely important to watch your words and keep the discussion with the insurance company to a minimum, especially early in the process. The insurance companies have teams of lawyers and adjusters whose job it is to pay you as little as possible. You need someone in your corner who knows their tactics and can fight back. If this happened to you, don't try to handle your case alone. Our consultations are free, and if we can't help you, we'll tell you that too. This is about making sure our neighbors and community get treated fairly. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to keep exposing how insurance companies really operate. And if you're dealing with this situation right now, the number's in the description below. Remember, they got lawyers working for them, shouldn't you?